This is a 15-inch model, and the problem with my MacBook is some of the keys, they are not, giving the proper feedback. They are not responding in the way they should. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your boy Utkarsh. क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about what actually happened with my MacBook Pro and how the Apple store here in Wrocław, Poland, how they dealt with my problem. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first of all, let me brief you like what actually was the problem. So I'm using a 2018 MacBook Pro, and this is my MacBook. This is a 15-inch model, and the problem with my MacBook is some of the keys, they are not, giving the proper feedback. They are not responding in the way they should. While I'm typing, I'm getting errors, and also some of the keys, they feel very hard, like they are not actually responding in the way they should be. This issue is not just with my MacBook. You can go to the Apple website. I'll put the screen here. Apple keyboard replacement program. So now as you can see, I'm on apple.com, and as you can see, there is keyboard service program for MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. So here they have clearly mentioned Apple has determined a small percentage of keyboards in certain MacBook, MacBook Air, and MacBook Pro may exhibit one of the following behaviors. Letter or character does not appear, they repeat, or the keys they feel sticky or does not respond in a consistent manner. So they have also mentioned that Apple or any Apple authorized service provider, they will do the replacement, they do the service free of charge. And these are the eligible models, and my MacBook which I'm using is MacBook Pro 15-inch 2018. So that's how it is. They have clearly mentioned on their website that they will do the service free of charge. As you can see from the Apple website, they have mentioned this problem, like Apple knows this is a problem, and that's the reason Apple started a 4-year MacBook keyboard replacement program. I was having the same issues. I booked an appointment and I went to the Apple store here in Wrocław, Poland. As you have already seen from my last vlog, like how was my experience in that store. The guy submitted my MacBook and he told me that it's gonna take at least 2 weeks. So actually I submitted my MacBook on Tuesday, and as you can see on Friday I got a message from the iSpot Magnolia that your MacBook is ready to be collected. I was actually so happy that like they replaced the keyboard in just like 2 or 3 days. So just to confirm the status, I gave a call to the Apple store, and the guy actually said that they cannot fix my keyboard because there is some dirt inside. I was not actually very surprised because Apple has only launched this program because they knew that the dirt is getting inside the keyboard, and that's the reason. Because of the dirt, the MacBook keyboard is not able to function as it should be. So Apple knows this. I tried to convince the guy the same thing, that this is a problem and I know there might be dirt, that's the reason the keyboard is not working as it should be. So the guy told me, no, we cannot replace this. Just come at the store, take your PC, go at some place, I will give you an address. Just go to that particular address, get your keyboard clean, and then take an appointment again at the Apple store, and then we gonna replace your keyboard for free. I was like, why should I do that if you are the official Apple store in Poland, if you are listed on the apple.com? So why should I go to a third-party store? And come on, like you are an Apple store and you are suggesting me to go to a third-party store and get the keyboard clean. Like, what are you here for then? After that call, I went straight to the Apple store. I met the guy, and the guy actually said that I met the guy, and the guy said, okay, if you don't want to get it clean, cannot do anything, just make sure you call the Apple support and ask them like what you can do in that case. The guy told that the technician in the Apple store, he actually cannot clean the dirt because the keys are so sensitive it can break. So again, I tried very hard to convince him, and I told him that Apple knows this, and that's the reason Apple has launched the 4-year replacement program. They told me that they cannot clean the dirt inside and they cannot do anything. Like, trust me, I tried really hard to convince him, but he was not, he was just not friendly. He was not very professional. He just didn't want to service my laptop. Also, he told me that the dirt inside the keyboard is not just like dirt particles, it's like some food, some sticky substance. And I told him that, okay, if you are saying this is a liquid damage, then just show me the proof. In the MacBook, in the motherboard, there are so many MCBs, there are so many indicators. If the MacBook has been like, liquid damage, indicators, the color changes that this MacBook have been like liquid damage. In my case, there was no physical damage, there was no liquid damage, but still he didn't accept to replace the keyboard of my MacBook. After that conversation with him, about the MacBook, I tried calling the Apple support. The guy was talking in Polish. Then I requested him that please can you talk in English. So the guy started talking with me in English. I told him all the problems. So the guy asked me like, tell me the location of the Apple store, where are you currently? So I told him location, and after that the guy told me they are not helping you, then you can just try to clean by yourself. There's also a method listed on the apple.com. I actually knew it wouldn't work because the guy at the Apple store at the first place, he told me there is some sticky substance, there is some like food, you know, come particles, or I don't know, something like that. After having a long conversation with the guy at the Apple support on the call, told me to just give the call to the Apple store guy. So I gave him the call to the Apple store guy, and I don't know what they talked. He went behind the walls, I don't know. So actually I don't know what those guys they talked on the call, because both of them were talking in Polish. After their conversation, the guy handed me the call, and again I was on the call with Apple support, and the guy told me the technician in that particular store, he has refused to do the replacement, and now he told me that you can go to some other store in your city. So I told them there's no other Apple store in my city, there's only one which is authorized by the apple.com. So the guy told me that okay, you can go to Poznan, there's a good store in Poznan, it's Scotland. In Poznan, you can ship your PC to the Poznan, or you can book an appointment and you can go to Poznan. I told him that Poznan is not very near to me, it takes like 2 hours by train, and you are suggesting me to go to another city, like a completely different city, to get my MacBook like service. The guy told me that okay, in that case you can ship the MacBook to that particular store and they will do the replacement for you. I politely told him that I'm not shipping my MacBook to some other city, to some other store. I'm not even sure, like maybe my MacBook will get lost in the transit, I'm not sure, maybe there can be some physical damages. I told him that I'm not ready to accept what he's giving me the solution. Also I told him I'm very disappointed by this service here in Poland, nobody's helping me. So actually the funny part is when I mentioned that I'm not satisfied, I'm very disappointed, guy from the Apple support, he told me the particular store, the Magnolia Park here in my city, they are very irresponsible, they are not doing this service as per as Apple policies. I was like, brain like what's going on? So now again, after the conversation on the Apple support guy, I went to the Apple store, I went to pick up my MacBook. I told them that okay, if you cannot do any service, just give my MacBook back. So the guy was actually very rude, he was talking to his colleague in Polish, and I'm pretty sure he was abusing me. Personally, I'm not very fluent in Polish, I don't really understand the language Polish, but at least I can understand the curse words and the, you know, the curse words basically. Also I politely told him that don't curse me, I understand what you are saying. The guy was just very rude and very unprofessional. I'm not even sure like how Apple is employing such persons like here in Poland. I mean, my experience with Apple store in Poland was just so disgusting. I mean, they made me feel that it's my fault, like the keyboard is not working. They made me feel that it's my fault, I have done something. The guy told me maybe you are using this MacBook in a place where it's so dirty, where it's so much dirt, and I was like, where I'm living, like come on, what are you talking about? And just to make things even worse, the guy even asked me like 149 zlotys for the service charge of the diagnosis. The guy told me that your MacBook doesn't fit for the service for the keyboard replacement, so we have a diagnostic charge, so you have to pay 149 zlotys, which is again like 3000 Indian rupees. So basically they didn't do anything with my MacBook, and they even charged me like 149 zlotys for the diagnosis cost for their IT support guy. Basically this was my experience with the Apple store here in Poland, Wrocław. This was the worst experience I've ever had with any of the Apple store. I've visited Apple store in so many countries, and this was the worst experience. Anybody who is watching from Wrocław or who is planning to come to Poland, Wrocław, I wouldn't suggest anybody going to that particular iSpot Magnolia Park. The guys are just clueless, those guys are just very unprofessional, and they have no idea like what they are doing. They have no idea what they are talking about, and they are very much unaware from the Apple policies. So the guys, they will keep on repeating the same thing, like we are not Apple, we are not Apple store, we are the closest things to Apple, there's no Apple store in Poland, we are a different company, we are hired by some agency, we are doing the service for Apple, blah blah blah, we are not authorized Apple, blah blah. I mean, he was just talking.
No, we are not Apple. We are not Apple. There is no Apple in Poland. We are the Apple premium reseller. We are probably the closest thing to Apple store, but we are not really the Apple store.
Alright.
We make their services. Okay, we sell the products, but we have this is a completely different company.
So this was my overall experience with the Apple store here in Poland. I still have my MacBook. I still using my faulty keyboard MacBook, and I'm not sure what should I do now, because I cannot travel to some other city just to get it replaced. I don't have so much time. I mean, I have time, but I just don't want to travel to some other city to just get my MacBook keyboard replaced, or maybe I should do that, I don't know. For real, like the guys at the Apple store here in Wrocław, they really gave me a very hard time. I was so pissed off. I'm the customer of Apple. I've spent like $3,900 on this machine, and the guys at the Apple store, they made me feel like I'm the victim. Like they made me feel that it's all my fault. So guys, that's pretty much for this video. I really hope you got something out of this video, or you really enjoyed this video for whatever reason. If you're already using a MacBook Pro, so I don't even know right now if you should expect Apple to get your keyboard replaced or not, because here in Wrocław, Poland, they didn't do it. Right now, I wouldn't suggest anybody buying MacBook. Yes, I'm not suggesting anybody to buy a MacBook. It's an expensive machine. I still love it, but yes, it has a keyboard problem and it's global. Everybody knows this. So that's pretty much for this video. I really hope you got something out of this video. If you did, just make sure you hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. अगर वीडियो थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करना, अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा हो तो make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, peace out. Love from Poland, boy from India.
Body on my mind, it's working overtime. I know I said we'd only do this once.